Hello and welcome back to my channel Chandrani Das Art, and I am Chandrani. In this tutorial we will learn how to do animation in Photoshop. Let's get started. We have to open Photoshop, then on layer panel lower the opacity of your reference character like I am doing for this crocodile layer. Go to window menu, click on the timeline option. This will open the timeline panel in front of you. We can see here a tiny expand button. It's suggesting that how do we want to see or create our animation, like frame by frame or video timeline. We will select video timeline as we are gonna draw the actions of our character. Okay, here we can see our layers in our timeline section 2. As the artwork that is showing is a reference, so I will need this just for a single frame. Go to layer menu, put the mouse over video layer. Under video layer option, we will see new blank video layer. Click on it. This will open a new blank layer for video to make our drawing for animation. On the extreme right corner, we will see another expand area. Click on it. Here we will see all the options that we may need for our animation timeline. But right now we will focus on our frame rate. So for adjusting the frame rate, click on it and adjust like I am doing. I am selecting here the 12 FPS. Now select your brush. I am selecting hard round brush for the outline option. You can choose it as per your choice. Now simply trace the outline. Now our outline is done, so we can turn off the visibility of our reference layer. So we can only see the outline now. Again go to the corner expand button and this time set the onion skin and enable for onion skin. Adjust the frame amount that you want to see of your before and after frames and adjust the opacity. As we have turned on the shortcut timeline key, so pressing the keyboard arrow keys will help us to move or select the frames. Like pressing the left key will select the previous keyframe and pressing the right key will select the next keyframe. Once we finished our sketch, we have to select our artwork for editing. This is an important step. I mean, the selection is an important step. Otherwise, without selecting the artwork and making any kind of edits on it, we'll edit each and every frames which we don't want. Okay, After that, I'm copying the whole sketching and just simply pressing Ctrl+C from my keyboard. Then press the right arrow key for selecting the next keyframe and press Shift Ctrl V for paste in place. This will help to paste our artwork in the same place that we have copied. Now, this is only important if you want to do the same action like mine. My crocodile is on same place and it will be on same place till the end. So I am copying and pasting it on place. Now after placing, simply I am erasing the parts that I want to edit and simply I am drawing on those parts according to our animation action. For tail, as I'm not going to redraw it, I'm just going to select it and just rotate a bit. So now I'm repeating the same process. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have learned something. If you do so, please hit the like button, and if you are new and want to know more about art, both digital and hand drawing, and also a little bit of animation like I'm doing in this tutorial, then please do subscribe my channel and stay tuned with this channel. And you can follow me on Instagram. I have shared my link on my description below, and also if you want to ask or see any kind of art related video, you can ask me through comment section or you can message me on Instagram. I will see you on my next video. Till then, bye, take care.